vulnerability is often seen as weakness, but Brené Brown's teachings on the subject challenge this notion. In her book, The Power of Vulnerability, Teachings on Authenticity, Connection and Courage, Brown argues that vulnerability is actually a strength that can lead to greater authenticity and connection with others. Through personal anecdotes and research, Brown shows that vulnerability is essential for personal growth and meaningful relationships. Her work has resonated with millions of people around the world, inspiring them to embrace vulnerability and live more fulfilling lives. Vulnerability can be defined as the willingness to show up and be seen, even when there are no guarantees. It involves taking emotional risks and being open to the possibility of failure or rejection. While vulnerability can be uncomfortable and scary, it is also essential for personal growth and connection with others. By allowing ourselves to be vulnerable, we create space for authentic relationships and experiences in our lives. Having the courage to be vulnerable means being willing to take risks and show up authentically, even when it feels uncomfortable or scary. It requires us to let go of the need for perfection and control, and to embrace the messy, imperfect parts of ourselves. By cultivating this courage, we can experience deeper connections with others and a greater sense of self-acceptance. Brown's work emphasizes the importance of vulnerability as a key component of courage and resilience. When we allow ourselves to be vulnerable, we create space for deeper connections with others. By sharing our authentic selves, we invite others to do the same, leading to more meaningful relationships and a greater sense of belonging. This power of connection extends beyond personal relationships to professional success as well. In today's world, where collaboration and teamwork are essential, vulnerability can be a key factor in building successful teams and organizations. One of the biggest obstacles to vulnerability is shame and fear. We often worry about what others will think of us if we show our true selves, or we feel ashamed of our imperfections and vulnerabilities. Brown's teachings provide strategies for overcoming these obstacles, such as practicing self-compassion and reframing our thoughts about vulnerability. By recognizing that vulnerability is a strength rather than a weakness, we can begin to embrace it and reap its many benefits. Brené Brown's teachings on vulnerability have had a profound impact on millions of people around the world. By challenging the notion that vulnerability is weakness, she has inspired countless individuals to embrace their authentic selves and cultivate deeper connections with others. Through her work, Brown shows us that vulnerability is not only essential for personal growth and connection, but also a key component of courage and resilience. By embracing vulnerability in our own lives, we can experience greater fulfillment and success in all areas of life. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next one.